Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great today. We've got a helpful guide for anyone struggling with their Steam overlay not working. If you've tried opening it with the usual hotkey, but nothing happens, don't worry. We're going to walk you through every possible fix step by step. So make sure to stick around to the end and hit that like button if this helps you out. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure Steam Overlay is actually enabled. Open Steam, click on the Steam menu at the top left and choose Settings or Preferences if you're on Mac. Then go to the In-Game tab and turn on the toggle that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Also, remember that this feature can be turned off for individual games. So, if it's not working for one title, go to your library, right-click on that game, choose Properties, and in the General tab, make sure the same option is turned on. Next, check your hotkey. By default, the overlay opens when you press Shift and Tab together. But if you've changed it, you can check or edit it under the In-Game tab in the Steam settings. Make sure you're pressing the correct shortcut when testing. If everything looks fine and it's still not working, other apps might be interfering with it. Some background software or key mapping tools can hijack the same hotkey. So try closing unnecessary programs and restarting your PC, then test again to see if it works. If that doesn't help, run Steam as an administrator. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to run all features properly. Also, make sure your system is up to date and that no other heavy programs are eating up resources. If the overlay still won't open, try restarting its background process. While the game is running, open Task Manager, go to the Details tab, find GameOverlayUI.exe, right-click on it, and select End Task. Steam will restart it automatically and hopefully fix the issue. For overlays that only fail in one game, open that game's properties, go to the General tab, and click Delete next to In-Game Overlay Data. Confirm it and try launching again. And finally, if nothing works, verify the integrity of your game files. This will repair any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Just go to your library, right-click on the game, select Properties, and under the Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. And that's it. One of these fixes should definitely get your Steam overlay back up and running. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.